Hello viewers, Namaskar, this is Dr. Hemad. Welcome to my YouTube channel Wisdom Speaks. Today's topic is on astrology and the topic name is the eclipse. Is it a crisis or an opportunity? I am going to give you two scenarios and also I am going to explain how a person reacts in a different way in a particular scenario. This topic has been selected because there are continuously 3 eclipses in the month of June and beginning of July. And people are really scared about this eclipse. Let me give one scenery or a particular scene where a girl suddenly discovers or a boy suddenly discovers that her boyfriend or her girlfriend is not willing to initiate a talk about their marriage. Though they are getting along for a long time now, 2-3 years they are having a friendship and they have loved each other, but somehow the boy or a girl is not ready to initiate the marriage. Naturally, the person is worried now. And this usually comes up, this type of issues comes up during the eclipse. Eclipse indicates change. Eclipse indicates, eclipse has 2 characters in its meaning according to Chinese. One is crisis, another is an opportunity. Now there is a scenery I explained you. The boyfriend is not willing to get married. Also, I'll explain you another scene where at the workplace, suddenly 2-3 people, workers, decide to leave the job and the owner is very much disturbed. Now these are the 2 scenarios. And naturally the reaction of a person could be different. This type of event usually happens during eclipse. In the first scene, the girl has 2 options. One option is that she thinks about extreme decision of going for a suicide, because I have seen such people, suddenly they realize that the boyfriend is not, getting along or is not willing to get married and they prefer to go for a suicide. This is one particular reaction of a girl. A second reaction of a girl could be that, let me wait and see, and this is a time where the solar eclipse or lunar eclipse is taking place. Let this time pass away. Let me get a clear picture of what is really happening and let me think about what to do in the next month or a few days later. And few days later, she realizes that the boyfriend whom she is getting along is also having a relationship or an affair with another girl. And she thanks the stars that she did not react immediately at that time. Whereas the first reaction is the suicide, where she is no more and she will never see what really is the truth. So eclipse is a time where you get an opportunity to see the truth. The truth gets exposed, but you can't react immediately. The picture is clear for you, but you can't express it immediately at that time. You have to note down the event and then takes a while to express it or to find out the real truth after a while. Then it is a good time for anyone to react. Similarly, in the second situation, where at the workplace, 2 of the workers suddenly leave the workplace and the owner is really worried how to run his business. Whether it could be a clinic or it could be a shop or anything. This usually happens during an eclipse. Just see it. So what happens here is, the person has 2 ways of reaction. One way is goes on screaming at the assistants and he cuts his salary and does that and this and throws them away. This could be the one reaction. The another reaction is going on pleading them to get along and trying to increase their salary and begging them not to leave the job and all that, because nowadays it is very difficult to get the workers. This could be a reaction of that person when suddenly the 2-3 workers, not 1, 2-3, suddenly they decide as if they have spoken to each other and they have decided that. So this type of reaction, this type of things may prop up during eclipse. The person also would gracefully give them the salary and advertise and get new workers. That could also be a reaction from the worker. And believe me, when the owner gets a new workers, slowly within a week or so, he discovers that the customers who are coming to his shop during this particular phase, When they realize that there are new workers there, then they start revealing the truth. Sir, your old workers, they never treated us well. They usually, when we rang up, they used to tell that you are not available, and they used to send us off like that only. And things like that, he starts hearing. He's surprised. Oh, this is how. And God has really blessed me because He stopped me from continuing with that workers, and that's how the workers have gone, and I have a new workers now. Let me keep an eye on the new workers. Let me train them properly. Let me take care of my customers. See, viewers, there are two types of reactions during an eclipse. An eclipse usually indicates a change. Because we are not prepared for the change, it looks like a crisis for us. It's an opportunity. It's something that it has come to clear us of whatever we are not seeing through properly. The events which we are not seeing properly, it's going to be cleared during the eclipse. What one has to do is, what one has to expect is, during an eclipse, one has to have a preparedness. Expect some change, so that if you expect something, then you have a more chances of taking it positively. If you are not expecting any changes, and if you are just lying down in a sleepy mood, suddenly you are surprised and you feel like reacting there. When you are prepared for a change, or something new may prop up during the eclipse, when something new props up, you don't really react, you just observe, and you react later on. So eclipse is nothing but a cosmic push for a person to go to the higher level or next level in his life. And how to know which part of your horoscope is affected? Suppose your horoscope, you are a Mesha Lagna or Aries ascendant, and you know very well these eclipses which are happening now are in Gemini and Sagittarius. So it is an axis of 3 and 9. So there are going to be issues related to the house number 3 and 9 going to prop up during this eclipse. So the third house relates to communication, transportation, and your neighbors and things like that. Ninth house goes on higher education, justice, and things like that, religious issues and things like that. So and you have to see where you are, what is your position today, and you have to just guess that there are going to be some issues relating this matter. As I gave the first example, that happens about a girl finding out whether her lover is a good person, or whether he is doing intentionally, he is rejecting her marriage. That time usually the axis that is involved is the first and seventh axis. Seventh indicates marriage, first is change in your personality. Similarly, I was telling about the workers and their sudden leaving the workplace, and usually at that place the axis 6 and 12 is affected. 6 is a daily routine work, it's something related to workplace, and 12th is isolation, taking rest and things like that. Also it is hospitalization, and 6th also is health and disease. So any matter, suddenly an issue of health or disease props up, it is surely that there is an eclipse in your 6th or 12th house. Workplace, there is some problem, 6th and 12th house. There is some issues with the marriage, 7th house. Some issues with the children, 5th house. Some issues with the neighbors or friends, they are not validating, they are not respecting your views. Then it could be the house 11th is inward from your ascendant. So friends, if you know that each house in your horoscope represents a certain aspect of your life, and if you are a little alert about that aspect, then you need not be scared about an eclipse. You can surely note down the developments, and later on you can react. And many a times the eclipse is teaching you something. It is asking for a change in your internal change. It is asking you to change. Don't believe someone too much. The way you communicate, you have to change the way you communicate if it is a third house. The way you have to compromise, or you have to investigate sometimes a particular thing and then react. So my friends, my humble request to all of you is, with due respect to all the astrologers who are giving so many, predicting so many things about the eclipses, please don't be scared about an eclipse. Please be in a state of preparedness, because the mind, if you are prepared in the mind has a capacity to convert the event into the hell into an heaven and heaven into an hell. So how you think is all, and how preparedness you are and how positively you take an event is all that matters in life. So viewers, I hope that These two examples will really enlighten you and help you to stay healthy, fit and positive during any eclipse. You should not worry that eclipse is happening. It has only come to educate you, to lift you to the next level in your life. I hope you liked my talk. If you like my video, please don't forget to press the like button, and if you are new, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Namaskar.